No camera, no actor, no editor. One free AI tool made this about OUR culture. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly how, where it breaks, and the one trick that fixes it. The tool is focom.com. It runs in your browser, works in India, and you get free credits the moment you sign up, no credit card. You write a story, it builds the scenes, the characters, and the voiceover. One tool, complete video.
Register for a free account.
Step 1. I am pasting my story prompt: an old weaver in a Telangana village teaching his granddaughter. Pause here if you want to copy my exact prompt, it's also in the pinned comment. Hit generate and watch this. Focal breaks your story into scenes automatically: characters, camera angles, lighting, all from plain text. This took about X minutes in real time. The fix is in your prompt: slow camera movement, no hand close-ups, interiors instead of white buildings. Same tool, same credits, clean result. Simple motion wins. Your video still needs captions, and I just tested a free no watermark caption tool. It's on screen now. And tell me in the comments, should I make a full short film about our culture with this? Subscribe, I test these tools so you don't waste your time.
For 300 years,
Export,
my family has
and
spoken in
here's the
threads.
downloaded file, 720p, and look, no watermark on the free plan. That's rare, and that's why this video exists.
Today, the loom learns a new hand.
Now the truth nobody shows you. I asked for the Ramappa temple, 800 years of Telugu heritage. Focal gave me this, a Chinese building, and these weaving hands. Look at that movement.